Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you use QuickBooks Online to manage your finances, you probably know how subaccounts can help organize your chart of accounts. But what happens when you end up with duplicate subaccounts or simply want to tidy things up? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to merge subaccounts in QuickBooks Online, step by step, so you can streamline your bookkeeping without losing important data. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a cleaner, more organized account setup. First, let's clarify something important. Merging subaccounts in QuickBooks Online doesn't mean deleting data. Instead, QuickBooks combines the history of both accounts into one, keeping all your transactions safe. But there's a catch. You can't unmerge them later. So make sure this is exactly what you want before you start. Review your accounts, log into your QuickBooks Online dashboard, and go to the Chart of Accounts. Identify the sub-accounts you want to merge. Choose which one you want to keep. This will be your primary account. And note its name, type, and detail type. Edit the sub-account you want to merge. Click the drop-down arrow next to the sub-account you want to merge into the primary one. Select Edit. Here's the key part. Change the name of this account to match the exact name of the primary account. Make sure the account type and detail type are also the same. Confirm the merge. When you save the changes, QuickBooks will notify you that an account with this name already exists and will ask if you want to merge them. Click Yes to confirm. That's it. QuickBooks will automatically merge all the transactions and history from the old sub-account into the primary one. No data is lost, and your reports will now reflect the combined figures. And that's how simple it is to merge sub-accounts in QuickBooks Online. Doing this regularly keeps your books clean, organized, and much easier to manage, especially if you've been dealing with duplicate or unnecessary sub-accounts. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more QuickBooks tips, and drop any questions you have in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.